Did you get them down?
Yeah, it took a while, but they're out now.
Taste this. I really want them to like it. I feel like something's not quite right.
No, that's great. It's one of your best. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, can
yep,
you get that?
Yep.
I'm gonna finish. So, I said, Harry, we're never going to that bar again.
Oh man, I'm so glad we're finally doing this, Jules. And everything's been so delicious.
Oh my god, it's so good. You have to give us the recipe for these meatballs.
Oh,
They
yeah.
are amazing.
Oh yeah, they're great.
Wow.
It's actually a secret recipe. Yeah, family, generational, goes way back. Yeah, and I'm so glad I married in because yeah, I get to have it all the time.
Oh, lucky
Oh,
you.
wow. Okay. All right.
We'll just have to come back.
You all want some more? Should I go get another bottle?
Please,
Yes,
please.
please.
Okay, I'll be right back. They are loving you.